Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 515. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. If you're unfamiliar with Cash App, you can find hundreds of tutorials on my channel. And if you sign up using the link in the description, we will both get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investing tab and then to the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin is currently at $9,071, down only about 0.5% today, 1% on the week, 6% on the month, 20% on the year, so going sideways for the most part still. So there's not much to update since last week, we're still just going sideways. We had this huge run up, currently in a consolidation period. Same exact thing you saw right here, this is just a scaled chart. So a huge jump and then consolidation for a long period of time right there. We saw another huge jump. And we're gonna have a long period of consolidation right here. So I'm just dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every single day. I actually already bought for today. So if you've never seen me purchase Bitcoin, don't know how, just check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of them where I purchase Bitcoin. You can see today right here under my activity. And if we look at Bitcoin owned, I'm currently at 0.06947. So almost 0.07. and slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin. Definitely liking Cash App, makes it nice and simple for me to buy Bitcoin and try this experiment. I'm also investing in some stocks over here, so that's fun as well. Nothing too crazy, just getting into it a little bit, testing the waters. With stocks, you can just come in here, buy $1 a day with no fees. You can invest $1 in whatever company you want. Start to learn investing, get a feel for it. Everyone asks kind of how to start. My advice is not to put a ton of money into anything. Start small. Just come on here and buy $1 of a stock or $1 of Bitcoin. Anyone can do it, and that's the best way. So we're at $630, 515 days in. Let's go ahead and do the math. 630 divided by 515 days equals a 1.22x on my investment. So that's pretty good. I've gained 22% out of all the Bitcoin that I've bought. If you do the math, I'm up $115. Just a heads up, today is Friday, July 3rd, but I'm probably going to be posting this on Sunday, July 5th. That's all for this update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win. Don't lay your problems on the past. Just let them make you come in.